if you're new to channel, welcome. My name is Garima. By the title you have got, today's video is about how to get a flawless base. I know बहुत लोग की skin makeup करते टाइम केकी दिखती है, patchy दिखती है. If you want your base to look flawless, then please keep on watching. Excuse me for my hairs today because they look a little messy because I have washed my hairs today and they look more voluminous, but as well as they are shiny, smooth. If you want your hairs to look shiny and smooth, then please watch my previous video which was 10 hair care tips. I'll link you for that if you have not watched in the description box. So अगर आप लोग का makeup flawless नहीं दिखता है because you do this mistake, you don't prep your skin before using makeup on your skin. You need to prep your skin, and for that you can use a nice moisturizer for your face, whatever you prefer. Or here I'm using my favorite serum. This is from Minimalist. It's their salicylic acid 2% serum and it's a very nice serum. Like before makeup I use this, and here I'm taking a little bit of serum on my hands, just rubbing a little bit and patting it on my face. Always use a moisturizer or serum, whatever suits your skin, but use it. It will make your makeup flawless. And always make sure you are washing your hands. I know it's not important to tell you because all people know about it, but if you do this mistake, always wash your hands before touching your face. And I'll give this product 2 minutes to just absorb properly. So here I'm using a primer from Flicka. This is a silicone based primer because I have visible open pores on my cheeks, so I should use a primer. If you don't have a visible open pores, use primer. मतलब वैसे भी use करो because it gives a very nice smooth texture to your face, जिससे foundation और concealer बहुत अच्छा glide करता है. So products के सारे link description box में रहेंगे. And I'm taking just a little bit, not a pea-sized amount, not more than that. जहाँ I think my skin pores will look थोड़े ज़्यादा, वहाँ I'll put. Basically I'm just using this primer on my T-zone area. I think I'm using my foundation now. I don't prefer foundation, but on marriages or I have to go to a photo shoot or a glam party, then I use foundation. इसलिए I have this छोटू वाला pack, and this is a dark shade for me. Why I use a dark shade? Because I like my skin to look a little tan. I don't know why, I just like to look a little tan. That's why I use may say dark shade, just taking a little bit because I don't like foundation as much. I just use as much as little. Here I'm using a damn beauty blender. You just want to take a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मग और a कटोरी, put water into it, damn it, मतलब उसमें डाल दो, squeeze करो, and then take off the excess water and then use a beauty blender. Now here I'm using a mini because I like mini beauty blenders. I don't like बड़े वाले beauty blenders because they don't, I think personally they don't blend into my skin properly. So here I'm just using a beauty blender to blend it, and always tap the foundation or a concealer, whatever you use. Now the third products are my concealer. Here I am using two concealers. This is from Flicka in the shade 0 number Ivory. This is from Swiss Beauty in the shade 0 number 2. अगर आप लोग को एक डाउट है, बहुत लोग ने गलती भी की है, स्विस ब्यूटी का 01 है, आई थिंक कुछ कैरमल टाइप का शेड है. तो हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता कि 01 ही लाइट शेड है, 02 भी लाइट शेड हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर यू चेक आउट द शेड्स. एंड हियर आई एम यूजिंग दिस इनटू माय इनर कॉर्नर्स. And this particular concealer from Flicka I'm using on my bridge of the nose, sides of my mouth, chin और हल्का सा my forehead. These are the places you use concealer, and if you want you can go for color correcting, like मैं blend करते करते बता रही हूँ. If you have a blemish or a pigmentation, you can use an orange color corrector. If you want orange color corrector or red, or if you have pimples you can use a green color corrector, or if you have dark circles you can also go for orange one or red one. And if you don't have a color corrector, then you can use the lipstick or your eyeshadow. But touch wood, I don't have pimples right now, I don't have any pigmentation, my dark circles are not that dark, so I'm not using color correctors, I'm just using a concealer. And these are the places to use concealer. Don't use it on all over your face because it looks cakey and patchy, और इससे अलग अलग मतलब ऐसा लगता है फेस में किसी ने ना थोप दिया है कुछ. So always use concealer on these areas of your face, and I'll just blend it quickly and come. For setting up my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me का compact, which I am loved with. You can see actually बीच में होल भी बन गया है, कितना यूज़ किया मैंने इसको. And I'll use this on my T-zone, और जो भी बचा हुआ प्रोडक्ट रहेगा ब्रश में वो बाकी के फेस में, बिकॉज माई स्किन इज़ कॉम्बिनेशन टाइप ऑफ स्किन, और सिर्फ टी जोन ऑयली है, बाकी मेरा फेस ड्राई है, तो ज़्यादा कॉम्पैक्ट यूज़ करने से इट कैन लुक पैची. सो अगर आप लोग की भी स्किन कॉम्बिनेशन है सो और ड्राई है, सो आप ये हैक यूज़ कर सकते हो. You have to keep in your mind, always apply foundation on your neck because your skin does not look even and it does not look good. मतलब दूर से ही समझ में आ जाता है. You have just applied the foundation here और neck पे नहीं लगाया. Always I have not applied because I'm not stepping out anywhere. I'm at my home. I'm just shooting and showing you how to do this. But always apply foundation on your neck. Base does not complete here. For my base I always prefer, or I always add the products, like I will use a bronzer or a contour stick. That also count in my list. For me that also count in a flawless base. So here I will use a bronzer and a blush. For contour or a bronzer I'm using here this mini bronzer by Sugar, and it's in the shade 01 Topper, and I am using this flat brush, not a pura flat. This is like a ऐसा slide है, ऐसा you have to use a brush like this जिसमें से slide हो. It will contour और bronze your skin बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत ही डायमेंशन बहुत अच्छा देता है आपके फेस को. तो ऑलवेज गो फॉर दिस ब्रश फॉर कंटूर और अ ब्रॉन्जर.
You need to use a bronzer here, okay? Just tapping out the product. For nose, I'm just giving like ऐसा कुछ shape on my brush और
Here I'm using a very affordable blush. This is from SFR and this was gifted to me by my sister. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है. If you want an affordable blush, you can go for that. You can go for this one. But I will not promise you कि ये 4-5 घंटे टिकेगा. But ये फिर भी अपने प्राइस के हिसाब से 3 घंटे टिकता है, which is a very good thing. इतना सस्ता ब्लश मैंने, पर मुझे प्राइस एक्चुअली ढंग से याद नहीं है, तो मैं लिंक डाल दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट द प्राइस. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है. आई यूज़ माई ब्रश हियर, सो इट जस्ट gives a very nice dimension or shape to your face. So I don't use only here, I will just go with this flow.
I'm using highlighter again from Sugar, and I'm just using this highlighter on the bridge of my nose. हल्का सा मेरे लिप्स पे, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead.
Now we are completing with the base, and this is the last product, and this is a very important product. If you are not using a setting spray, start using a setting spray because it just बहुत अच्छे से स्टे करता है मेकअप. मतलब आराम से 4 घंटा तो भूल जाओ, मेरा तो मेकअप नहीं जाता है भैया 4-5 घंटे तक. सो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस, चेकिंग इट आउट दूर से, एकदम ऐसे पास से मतलब वाला. आई एम डन विद द फ्लॉलेस बेस. नाउ फॉर माई मस्कारा, एंड ये बेस पे नहीं आता, बट आई हैव यूज्ड, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू, और आई जस्ट वांट टू रिकमेंड यू दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक दिस. This is a mascara from Wet n Wild, and it's a clear mascara. Sometimes you don't want your lash to be black or different colors. बहुत सारे mascara के colors आते हैं. Sometimes you want your mascara to be clear और बहुत ही basic दिखे. So here I'm using Wet n Wild का brown lash mascara, and it's a very nice affordable mascara. Go for it if you want a clear mascara. And for lipstick I have used, this is a nude shade. This is from Lakme. It's their Lakme Absolute lipstick in the shade 24. So here we are done with the flawless base, but I am promising you, अगर आप इस स्टेप बाय स्टेप जैसे मैंने बताया वैसे आप एक रूटीन करते हो फ्लॉलेस बेस पाने के लिए, तो ट्रस्ट मी ऑन माई वर्ड्स, प्लीज फॉलो दिस एंड यू आर नॉट गोना कंप्लेन अगेन कि हमारा मेकअप पैची दिखता है, केकी दिखता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Like the video, then please give it a like, share with your family and friends, comment below if you want such videos like how to contour, how to make your brows, और कैसे waterproof makeup करते हैं. I will surely do that for you. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I've posted a video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.